So we have a Arduino, and generally we use Arduino IDE to write our logic code, and then this code is uploaded to the Arduino where it is processed, and the whatever output of our code is, the output is returned to the pins. There the process is a little different when we write with something else except the Arduino IDE. We will be using Python and Visual Studio Code. So we write the code and the code logic is processed into our PC only, not in the Arduino. Then we know that which pins needs to be written with what. So this output is sent to the Arduino and Arduino write output to those pins. So for this setup, we have to do these two things one time. First, we have to upload a standard fermata. It's a code which comes with the Arduino IDE. We will upload this to the Arduino and then we will install the pyfirmata using pip, and then we will be able to use the Arduino with our Python. Let's upload the standard fermata to the Arduino. This is Arduino IDE. We will go to files, examples. Here we see fermata and we can see a number of examples. Each of these have their own purpose. Standard fermata will write and take input from any analog digital pins. So we will be using this one. This is nothing but a code already written. We simply have to upload this code to our Arduino. For that we select the board Arduino Uno and the port COM5. Now keep this thing in mind that our Arduino is connected to COM5. We later have to specify in our Python code that which COM port or Arduino board is connected to. So COM port 5, everything is correct. We upload this code to our Arduino. Code is uploaded. Let's install pyfirmata. Search for pip pyfirmata download, and we will get to know the command which will be used to install the pyfirmata. We copy this command and go to our Visual Studio Code, terminal, new terminal. As you can see in my system, this pyfirmata is already installed. For you, it will get installed. It will be installed. Now create a new file for our code. We will say Arduino start.py. First of all, we will import whatever we installed, pyfirmata as pf. Say simply we have to connect to our board. So we will store that board into a variable, say board, and it will be pf using this library pf.arduino. It will connect to Arduino. We have to specify which COM port it is connected to. As we see, it was connected to COM port 5. You can again see that. Also, if you don't want to do that, or you keep connecting and disconnecting a little something, so we can use this code to automatically see our which COM port or Arduino is connected to. Now our board is connected. We can write a huge code logic into this Python, and then finally we will tell Arduino that which pin has to return with what. So for example, we have an LED connected to 3 and 5. Its positive end is connected to digital pin 3. So LED plus is our board dot. We have digital and it is connected to pin number 3. LED minus, it is board or digital connected no pin number 5. We will light this LED by writing LED plus as 1, LED minus as 0. So LED plus dot write as 1, LED minus dot write as 0, and we run this code and our LED will be lit, as you can see. Now let's make this LED blink 5 times. So for I in range range 5, we will make it blink 5 times. So first it will blink turn on, then we will wait for 1 second. For that we have to import time. We will say time dot sleep for 1 second. Then we will turn this LED off by setting both of the ends 0, and then we will wait for half second. Let's upload this code. So here we can write any complex logics, and finally we will write something to our pins.